Hey, 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 it is day 33 of my 100 days of action, where each day I give you a video about my life, how it's going, what I'm doing, what I'm up to. And today was a snowed in day. I did not go anywhere. I did not plan to go anywhere because the Chi-Town has been hit by a lovely blizzard. I don't know the official inch count, but me and Babe were ready. We went to the store last night, and yeah, we are ready for some serious lounging around. We made it through day one, and day two will be quite the same. Y'all, today was my first day of getting up at 5 o'clock no matter what. And I did it, y'all. I was so sleepy. I was walking around like a zombie. Like, I got up, I turned off my alarm, I used the bathroom, I got up from there, and then I meditated and I did my journaling, and then I got right back in the bed. But baby steps. I just need to go to bed sooner so that I can stay up. But the goal is, a simple goal, is to get up at 5 o'clock and do my routine. Bam. So I'm feeling good. Worked from home. Bae made some peanut butter cookies. It was so random. He's like, hey, you want some peanut butter cookies? I was like, yeah. And we just so happened to have all the ingredients. So he made some peanut butter cookies from scratch. I made an every plate meal for dinner. And we did it that way. They also made some really good garlic grilled cheese. It tasted like Texas toast with cheese. But yeah, so I've really been vegging out. Like, I'm just chilling. You see me in my warmest of robes. Just chilling, just being me. Yeah, so just taking it easy. My sissy's B-Day is tomorrow. Happiest 30th. Well, early birthday. I'll say it again tomorrow. But yeah, it's her birthday tomorrow. Then it's my birthday on Saturday. And we're gonna have a little party, a little shindig at the parents'. And yeah, nothing exciting, nothing special. What else? That's pretty much all day. All that happened today. Y'all, so I can't pass this up. So I do my meditations and my whole like little morning routine on my meditation cushion. It's like, I can't think of how tall it is, but it's like maybe a foot and a half tall, and it's round. So you squat down on it, and then it helps you sit up straight, and it doesn't let your legs fall asleep or anything like that. It's just easier to sit on. And usually, I'm able to just, sit down, get up, no problem. Lately, I've been having to rock backwards, fall forward. Like, I got darn near do the splits. Like, it's, y'all. I think that's like my signal. That's like, whoa, Tracy, you've gone too far. Past the point. Come back. Bring it back in, okay? So, yeah, I guess I need to lose some of this weight. That's how you know when you can't sit down or get back up. That's how you know. That's a warning sign. What else? I feel like there was something else today, guys. That's probably it. Y'all, have I ever told y'all about my eyelashes here? Oh, look at my nails. That's horrible. But it's always been separated like that, like almost for as long as I can remember. Like this side, like perfect. Can you see it? This side, there's like a big gap. And the more I play with it, the worse I make it. But it's just so annoying. Like, I'm always constantly trying to separate it. And it's so crazy because I have like long, like really nice eyelashes. But I just have a big gap. Is that like a condition? Is that a thing? Maybe it's a thing. I should look it up. Find other people like me who are in the struggle, the eyelash struggle game. It's got to be a thing. Anywho, all right, y'all. I won't hold you in the line no longer. That's all. That's it. Y'all have a good night.